Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Peter Oluoch. I'm still answering questions being asked by investors in my Telegram group. I have a Telegram channel with about 8,000 investors, Kenyans, and they ask a lot of questions. And so I've chosen to answer some of their questions publicly so that many other people can benefit from the questions. And today's question is this: how do you buy stocks? How do you buy shares? How do you buy shares listed at the Nairobi Securities Exchange? The answer is very simple. I'm reading a book by Robert Leach. The book is called How to Make Money from the Stock Exchange. The book explains a number of ways of how to make money from the stock exchange. But the basic way is this: you buy share A, let's say Safaricom. You can buy Safaricom at, let's say, 5 shillings. Then after some 10 years, the share has grown or increased in price. And as I'm speaking to you now, the share is about 45 shillings. So you buy at 5 shillings and you sell at 45 shillings and you make 40 shillings. That's a very, very big profit. The profit has increased by nearly 900%. That is very good. So how do you buy? You can buy one from an app. And in my previous video, I showed you apps that you can download and be able to buy shares from the Nairobi Securities Exchange. So you can buy shares from your phone. You don't need to give anybody money to buy for you shares. Just download the app, put it on your phone. From the phone, you buy the shares. And the share app we are recommending in this video is Jikuze app by Genghis Capital Stockbrokers. The other option you can do if you if you don't have a smartphone is you write an email to your stockbroker and tell them, hey, I am XYZ and I want to buy shares. And how do you buy shares? Once the email is received by your stockbroker will then put an order on the stock exchange system against your name. Or rather, an order will be put in the stock exchange system. And the order will basically be how many shares you want to buy. So the stockbroker will buy the shares on your behalf. The other way you can buy shares from the Nairobi Securities Exchange is through your agent. We have agents that can help you buy shares. You see, like Safaricom has M-Pesa agents. These M-Pesa agents can be used to send and receive money. And so if you want to send money, you can use Safaricom agents, M-Pesa agents. And this agency business has also been done, has been copied by the banks. So we have KCB Mtani agents. They can also help you transact your business, send and receive money, or do your banking services. We have Coop Jirani agents. They also can help you do your banking transactions. Even Equity has agents. So stockbrokers also have agents, and the agents are very many. So an agent can also buy for you shares and sell for you shares. And in fact, if you have questions, or if you have problems, or if you are stuck, then you can call your agent, stockbroker agent, licensed and registered by the stockbroker and licensed by CMA. This agent can also help you buy stocks. So there are 3 ways to buy stocks. 1, through an app like Jikuze app. 2, through a stockbroker. Just send them an email or give them a call, but in most cases, email. 3, through your agent. Those are the 3 ways you can buy stocks. And those are the 3 ways, again, you can sell stocks. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm reading this book by Robert Leach, How to Make Money in the Stock Market. And it gives a very comprehensive guide of how you can buy stocks, how you can sell stocks, and basically is those 3 ways I've mentioned. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are new to this channel, subscribe. If you are new to this channel, subscribe. If you have questions you need answered, please comment. Leave a comment below in the subscription box. I'll be glad to answer your questions. I'll be glad to answer your questions because you know what? I believe all of us can save in the stock market. All of us can grow rich in the stock market. And all of us can become millionaires in the stock market. What I don't want is that as we grow old, we become poor. Because you know what? 90% of people who have worked for 30 years and are old and are retired, they are poor. I don't want us to be among the people who are poor. I want us to be rich. I want us to be rich. And we can all be rich by investing in the stock market. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Bye.